A beautiful green nut. What is it? In Master Azerbaijani word of today, we have fıstık. Fıstık. Fıstık is pistachio, yes, or peanut. Guess what? We use both. Now, some phrases, and then we're gonna go discover some sentences. Phrases first. Qovrulmuş FISTIQ. Qovrulmuş is roasted. Or if it applies to food, it will be as fried. Qovrulmuş in this case, roasted pistachio. Or peanut. Pistachio kernels and sides, because fındık içi, iç means inside of it, but you will not translate it as insides. I added it for your visibility only. It's the kernels. Now, sentences. Diyetologların rəyinə görə duzsuz və təbii fındıq yemək ürək damar sistemi üçün ən faydalı vərdişlərdən biridir. Translation. According to the opinion of dietitians, eating unsalted and natural pistachios is one of the most beneficial habits for the cardiovascular system. Ugh, some medical terms. Now, did you notice? Diyetolog. That's the one, is the loan word. Sounds very familiar, right? Diet, diyetolog, dietitian. Yeah. Rey is the opinion. Diyetologların rəyinə görə, according to the opinions of dietitians, duzsuz, unsalted. Duz, salt. Duzsuz, unsalted. Təbii is the natural. Fıstık yemek, eating pistachios. What kind of pistachios? Duzsuz ve təbii fıstık yemek, eating unsalted and natural pistachios. Ürək damar, cardiovascular. Medicine is not my familiar area, not my strong area, I would say. So apologies if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Ürək damar, cardiovascular. Cardio, ürək, vascular, damar sistemi üçün, for cardiovascular system, and faydalı, the most beneficial. Verdiş is a habit. Verdişlerden biridir is one of the habits. Diyetologların rəyinə görə, according to the opinion of dietitians, duzsuz və təbii fıstıq yemək, eating unsalted and natural pistachios, ürək damar sistemi üçün, for the cardiovascular system, and faydalı vərdişlərdən biridir, is one of the most beneficial habits. Okay? Next one. Bu iri və ağzı açıq fıstıq ləpələrinin dadı həqiqətən də çox keyfiyyətli və ləzzətlidir. Let's see. These large and open-shelled pistachio kernels are truly very high quality and delicious. Bu iri, these large. İri is large. There's another word for big. You might see büyük. But in this case, large fits better. Ağzı açık. Open mouth. Literal translation. But it's open-shelled. Pistachio kernels, there's go. Lepe is, imagine pistachio kernel as full inside, but when you break it into part, the full kernel, it becomes lepe, is the pieces of it, basically. That's what you will hear. It applies to all kind of nuts, actually. Fıstık lepesi, goz lepesi, fındık lepesi. We call them all like that, which means the insides, the kernels. Now, are truly, həqiqətən də, çox keyfiyyətli, very high quality və ləzzətlidir, and delicious. Okay, a delicious word, another one of those, that which was fıstık. Let's see what I have for that joke use, I wonder. I only run when someone yells, free fıstık. Okay, that was word of the day. A new word of the day will drop in tomorrow, same time. But if you are interested to go beyond that, masterazerbaijani.com and Master Azerbaijani app is for you. Otherwise, come back tomorrow. Cheers.